In this video, we will talk about freeze band. For what we use freeze bands. I have a lot of data in this sheet. Above, I have given the headings in the first and second rows. If I move the cursor down, the headings given in the first and second rows above it will disappear. We no longer see our headings. Similarly, when we move the cursor to the right side, the first column on our left side will also disappear. In the first column, we wrote the date. Note that we do not see it. We will use freeze band for it. For freeze band, we have to go to the View tab. Look at here. The first is the freeze bands option. So a sketch is created along with a cell which is colored and the top row is highlighted and the column on the left side is highlighted as well. It has been told that wherever we have active cell, there will be as many rows on it and all columns on its left side will be frozen. Here we have cell D8, so we color it. All rows above the upper cell D8 and all the columns on the left side will be frozen. Let's check. All the rows above it have been frozen and all the columns on the left side have been frozen. It has 3 columns on the left side and it has been frozen from 1 to 7 rows above it. Now look here, 7 rows and 3 columns have been frozen. Do this in the normal view. The second option is the freeze top row. Here is the sketch with only the top row highlighted. If we select the top row, our first row will be frozen. Let's check. Move the cursor down. See here that the first row is frozen. Let's check it again and unfreeze it. Let's check the third option. Here is the freeze first column option. It is also given a sketch with the first column highlighted. Let's check. In the first column we have written the date. Now we move the cursor to the right side. Look here, only the first column is frozen. Now we move the cursor downward. The first column is frozen and no rows or columns have been frozen.